So in this tutorial we are going to do a couple things. One, we are going to create a sponsor slider. We are going to edit a sponsor slider. And then we are going to insert a sponsor slider into a different page. So let's click on Dashboard. Click on Smart Logo. Add New. We're going to call this Sponsor Slider. We're going to add a logo. We're going to insert the logo, and we want to add an alt tag. Alt tags are good for keeping up with current web standards. That way your site runs up to date with web practices. So we will call this MacRay LLC. Scroll down. Select TizWiz. We will name this TizWiz Nutrition. We will select Cap Construction, call this Cap Construction. We will select JD Equipment and we will name this John Deere Incorporated. And we will insert. So we have the general settings here. We want to have the wrapper width at 100. The title settings, show title and overlay. We will have the image effects as overlay effect. We want to have the layout set as carousel. Have the carousel settings set as template 1. This is what template 2 looks like, but I think template 1 looks better. We will have pager settings. Pager is true. We will leave the active color as the blue. Pager color as the gray. And then select slider options. Autoplay is true. Count of slide 3. Autoplay timeout 2000. Controls true. Controls type arrow. Arrow types type 1. We will leave the arrow color as gray, and we will leave the arrow hover color as a light gray. So we will scroll up, click Publish. We will go back to All Smart Logo. We will select the shortcode, copy it. Then we will go to Pages, scroll down till we see the About page, click Edit. So when you're inserting shortcode or HTML, we always want to make sure we select the text. And we will delete the existing shortcode. Paste it. And the visual will just have the text, but once we update the page, it will show up with the slider. And we will click Update. And then we will view the page. Okay, and then we have our new slider inserted in the About page. Okay, so what if we want to edit this slider? We will go back to dashboard, all smart logo, edit. If we want to replace an image, we can click on the pencil and select it from the media library or upload photos again. If we want to edit it, we can type the logo title or have an external link. If we want to check that, the external URL, we can type here, click exit. And then once again, you just edit the general settings, carousel settings, or pager settings. And that is how we create, edit, and insert the slider into a page.